Today, I'm going to be talking about how long it takes to top up a YouTrip card. If you're not familiar with YouTrip, it's a prepaid travel card that allows you to spend money in foreign currencies. It's a great option for travelers who want to avoid the fees associated with using their credit cards overseas. So, how long does it take to top up a YouTrip card? The answer depends on the method you use. Methods to top up your YouTrip card. There are three main methods that you can use to top up your YouTrip card. Bank transfer. This is the most common method. To top up your card using a bank transfer, simply log into your YouTrip app and select Top Up. Then, enter the amount you want to top up and select Bank Transfer. You will then be given instructions on how to make a bank transfer to YouTrip. Pay Now. This method is only available for Singapore residents. To top up your card using Pay Now, simply log into your YouTrip app and select Top Up. Then, enter the amount you want to top up and select Pay Now. You will then be given instructions on how to make a Pay Now transfer to YouTrip. FAS Tag. This method is only available for Singapore residents. To top up your card using FAS Tag, simply log into your YouTrip app and select Top Up. Then, enter the amount you want to top up and select FAS Tag. You will then be given instructions on how to make a FAS Tag transfer to YouTrip. How long does it take? The amount of time it takes to top up your YouTrip card depends on the method you use. Bank transfer. It can take up to 3 business days for a bank transfer to be processed. Pay Now. It can take up to 1 business day for a Pay Now transfer to be processed. FAS Tag. It can take up to 1 business day for a FAS Tag transfer to be processed. Additional tips. Here are a few tips for topping up your YouTrip card. Top up your card in advance. This will help to ensure that you have enough money when you travel. Use the same currency as the country you are visiting. This will help to avoid currency conversion fees. Check your bank's transfer limits. Some banks have limits on the amount of money you can transfer to another account. Make sure you are aware of your bank's limits before you try to top up your YouTrip card. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.